Hello, dreamers and doers. What if I told you that the secret to your success might lie in how you spend the first hour of your day? Today we're diving into the fascinating world of productive morning routines, where science meets strategy. Let's talk mornings. They're either your best friend or your worst enemy. The good news? You get to choose. Research shows that a structured morning can supercharge your mental clarity, focus, and energy. And no, hitting snooze 10 times does not count as strategy. Take Tim Cook, Apple CEO. He's up at 3:45 a.m. to tackle emails and get his workout in before the world even starts stirring. Or Oprah, who begins her day with meditation, exercise, and a healthy breakfast. These aren't just habits, they are power moves. Alright, what do these productive giants have in common? Their mornings are a symphony of simple yet impactful habits. Let us break it down. First, they wake up early. Like, what is sleep? Early. The benefit? The world is quiet, distractions are minimal, and they get a head start. Jeff Bezos, for example, enjoys a calm breakfast with his family, while the rest of us are probably debating whether to shower or hit the snooze again. Next, let's talk exercise. Serena Williams hits the court, Tim Cook hits the gym, and the rest of us, well, we're just trying to hit our step count. But here's the science. Movement boosts endorphins, energy, and your ability to focus. Start small. A quick stretch can do wonders. Then there's mindfulness. Think meditation, gratitude journaling, or simply sitting in silence. Arianna Huffington swears by it, and so does science. It is like giving your brain a pep talk before the chaos begins. And of course, breakfast. We're not talking about a cup of coffee and regrets. We are talking berries, eggs, or avocado toast. Something that fuels your brain and body. Bonus points if you remember to drink water. Yes, hydration counts as self-care. Lastly, the pros plan. Elon Musk blocks out his entire day in 5-minute increments. Meanwhile, I'm just trying to figure out what's for lunch. But here's the key. A simple to-do list or reviewing your goals can keep you focused and reduce decision fatigue. Curious how the world's most successful people supercharge their mornings? Let's take a peek. Tim Cook wakes up at 3:45 a.m., reads emails, and hits the gym. Early mornings give him the peace to strategize and stay ahead of the tech world. Jeff Bezos enjoys a leisurely breakfast with his family and starts work late morning. Bezos prioritizes quality sleep and starts his day with personal time, making him sharper for decision making. Serena Williams, on the other hand, believes in morning fitness sessions, focusing on drills and mental preparation. Physical and mental fitness are crucial for staying on top of her game. Tom Brady is all about hydration, meditation, and a nutrient-packed breakfast. Brady's disciplined approach ensures he's energized and sharp for performance both on and off the field. Arianna Huffington, the founder of Huffington Post, starts her day with stretching, meditation, and completely avoids her phone. Arianna's emphasis on well-being reduces stress and helps her maintain focus throughout the day. See the trend here? Whether it's physical fitness, mindfulness, or prioritizing family time, these routines reflect how successful people align their mornings to their values and goals. The beauty is, you can take inspiration and create your own masterpiece of a morning. Now let's talk about you. Here's how to build your ultimate morning routine. Start small. Don't go from zombie to superhero overnight. Experiment. Find what makes you feel energized and focused. Be consistent, even on weekends. Yes, I said it. Forgive yourself when life happens, because it will. Here's a bonus tip. Did you know morning routines are easier to stick to if you include something fun? Whether it's dancing in your kitchen or sneaking in a guilty pleasure podcast, make it enjoyable. So, what's stopping you? Your mornings are a blank canvas waiting for you to paint them with purpose. Start with one habit, stick with it, and watch your days and life transform. If this video gave you that morning motivation, hit the like button, share it with a friend who needs a wake-up call, and subscribe for more tips from this life thing. And hey, let us know in the comments what's the one habit you're adding to your mornings. Here's to mornings that feel like magic. See you in the next video.